Matt, the mortgage guy here, excited to talk to you about some great advice for new investors. I'm excited about making this video because I have these conversations with folks. They're new investors, they're excited about real estate, and I get excited with them. And I wanted to make a video with some good advice for new investors because I talk to folks all the time. They're excited about real estate. They realize how they can build wealth with real estate. And so they tell me, okay, Matt, I'm going to buy my first house. And you know what my plan is my plan is to buy this first house now, 2 or 3 years down the road. I'm going to save up some money and I'm going to buy an investment property. Does that sound like a good plan? You can help me with that, right, Matt? And I tell them, of course I can. But let's think of another strategy. Why don't you, with that in mind, that you'd like to add real estate to your portfolio, buy something that might be a little bit smaller and a little bit cheaper as your first house. Now what you do is you buy that 2-bedroom, 1-bath now with the best financing available, which is owner-occupied financing. You're gonna live there with the intention of moving up and moving out 2 or 3 years down the road. So you save up 5% and you buy the next house. That first house you bought with the best financing possible because you owner-occupied it turns into a rental. You keep that great mortgage and you buy the next house with 5% down. Now you've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You live there for 2 or 3 years, you save up some more money, you can buy the next house, it's owner occupied again, now you've got a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and you still can put 5% down, even less in some circumstances because you're buying it as an owner occupied property. You're getting the lowest interest rate, you're getting the best terms. Now you've got 2 rental properties. These great mortgages stay in place. The best mortgages available are the owner-occupied mortgages, and you get to keep those by using this strategy. It doesn't work for everybody. For people that are young and buying their first properties, I really encourage it. You don't need more than a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And then when you're ready to move out, turn it into a rental. There's a great rental market for 2-bedroom, 1-baths. There's a great rental market for 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Your forever home, you'll get there, don't worry. On your way there, buy a couple rental properties that you're gonna occupy when you buy them, but you plan on making them rental properties in the future. It's a great way to add real estate to your portfolio, especially if you're young, especially if you don't have 9 kids already and you need the bigger house. So any questions along those lines, please feel free to reach out. I love real estate and I love getting into the best mortgage, so I'm happy to chat any of that stuff you'd like to chat about. Until next time.